Hi, I'm Treston Bambe from Ray White CBD and Residential. On behalf of the owners here, I'd like to welcome you to 372 Cliveden Avenue, Corinda. Let's go and have a look around.
The owners have done a first-class job transforming this home into a much larger, modern and attractive residence that promotes relaxed living and facilitates entertaining in comfort and style. No expense has been spared and the quality of fixtures and workmanship is evident throughout. Complete with 5 bedrooms or 4 plus an office, the master with balcony, 4 bathrooms, a stunning kitchen, open-plan living and dining, alfresco entertaining deck at rear, in-ground pool, double lock-up accommodation and workshop and storeroom. Adjoining parkland and located opposite Corinda Golf Course, this home can facilitate the needs of the modern family with comfort and ease.
Well, thanks for taking the time to have a look around. I look forward to meeting with you at an open home soon.